Reggae royalty in the building this week. You're not for humble with it. Me hype it for you. You're not for hype it. Me hype it for you. What going, brother?
Me there, man. Me there, my brother.
Always a pleasure, you know.
Always a joy.
First of all, we see what going on in 2020. Give me 3 words to describe the year for you.
Blessings.
Yeah.
Joyful.
Yeah.
Tough in some.
For most people,
Yeah.
right? Now,
Yeah,
talk to me. Blessings was the first word that came to your mind.
Yeah.
And that's not necessarily the way most people would have described 2020. Tell us why it was a blessing for you.
The birth of my beautiful, daughters.
Yeah.
Emma and Reina.
Twins, right?
Twins. That's one of the biggest blessings I could have ever, received myself and my wife, Liz.
The creative industry was obviously one of the most heavily hit, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, how badly did it impact you?
For myself, and Nico, we're always creating. I feel like the whole creative process of my career kind of, take me away mentally from thinking or worrying about everything that was going on, like not going on the road, not doing shows and can't get to do some of the things that we'd love to do. And we have created some beautiful music, my brother, over that time span. Even though we never get to go in as often as I would want to, but trust me, that is the next blessing where 2020 kind of bring. I mean, the fact that we get to go inside the studio and record so much music, the inspiration that was coming through this lockdown.
Get really creative.
Trust me, like the creative spirit just turn up somehow.
No, the creativity never only come in one direction, because we see you all on YouTube, we see you go with a bag of things now. Talk to me about that. How did that whole thing come about?
I mean, at the same pandemic, to be honest with you, at the time we were saying, we are private people from day one.
Yeah.
Everything will come out.
Carry myself today.
6 months or a year after, even with the birth of the girls, when we got engaged, when we got married, everything was like a year or 6 months after, And we believe that, it was the point now where we could share certain things with, my fans, and everybody that seemed to love what we were doing. We feel like we could use the opportunity to share things with them. And not just that, but to uplift the spirit of the people within the time. I feel like a lot of people needed that. They're home, not doing much. We just wanted to uplift them spirit and
give some wholesome entertainment.
Trust me, and it worked. So far people seem to be into the channel. They're enjoying what we're sharing with them. And at the end of the day, we still can't even share everything with them. But so far people seem to be loving what we're doing, man. We're just grateful.
How difficult was it for all of a sudden become, almost reality stars?
That is something that was a big concern. As a shy person and I feel like if we take the step, to show people this side of us, it can only build the confidence in not just talking on camera, but in how we feel about ourselves personally. And she needed that, I needed that as well. At the time we just feel like, we just need to do it. Sometimes in life, the only way you get to really and truly do some things is to start. Just make the first step.
True.
And
come out of your comfort zone.
Come out of your comfort zone. Whether you feel or whatever, it can only make you better. So we're just grateful, man.
The twins start singing yet?
They might make some little songs that especially Reina sound like she's gonna be the vocal one.
Yeah.
But happy babies, man, and trust me, as I said earlier on, one of the biggest blessings. I couldn't ask for anything more. And we just I continue to watch them grow. It's not easy because everything that is going on now, and then I am home with them most of the time because Liz is the one who is working now.
Yeah.
But we're fighting and we're holding on, because we, I feel like the joy what them bring, help to just, help us to forget some of the stress and the struggle what the whole thing might bring.
That's a grand brother, which is the perfect segue now to this big song we have right now. Everybody are talking about. You know what I mean? Introduce that for me.
Beautiful to me.
Yeah.
It is a beautiful song, a song that was written for Liz. about it.
You know, some of that team have a closing, so you have to just have to sing out. You know. See Ashley and Talia, they sing to them, you know. I feel them song too.
Wake up, and in the mornings when you wake up, you're so beautiful to me. And maybe you don't like your hair, but I don't even care. 'Cause you're so beautiful to me.
Bap, 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 bap.